In this video, we're going to walk through the process of initiating, completing, and reviewing a performance assessment in Profit.co, as well as your options for professional development and performance improvement from an HR perspective. First, let's walk through initiating a performance review. Once a super user has added you as an HR administrator, you'll have access to the HR admin features in Performance, HR Administration. Select Performance Reviews. On this page, you'll see a list of all active reviews. To view past reviews, use the filter. To initiate a new review, press the plus icon next to the page header. In the Initiate Review pop-up, you can select the details of your performance review. First, select your review type. Your choices are a standard review, also known as a conversation and feedback review, or an affinity-based performance review, which gives managers a 360-degree view of employee performance by using peer reviewers. Next, select the review scope. Your options are all your employees, specific departments only, specific teams only, or specific employees only. You can also add reviewees based on when they join the organization. Add a review headline and a review description. Confirm the quarter that this review is in, and decide if you'd like to auto-close the review. If you do auto-close the review will be closed on the date you select. You can add a grace period that will allow users a certain amount of time to complete the review after the end date. If you've selected affinity-based reviews, you have the option to add all employees as peer reviewers for other employees, excluding their direct manager. If you don't select this, reviewed employees will be able to add their own peer reviewers to their affinity-based evaluation. You also have an option to use the review scheduler, which allows you to set deadlines for each stage of the review process. For example, the deadline for the reviewed employee to complete their self-assessment can help prompt employees to complete their review faster and move the process along. You can also add a scheduler extension that HR can use if a certain employee needs longer to complete their leg of the review. Once your review has been initiated, it will appear in your list as active, and you can track the progression of your review on the HR dashboard. Select your review. This will show what stage the review is at. The different tabs on top of the page can show you the averages of the completed reviews. Once all stages of a review have been completed, you can close the review on the Active Reviews Details page. Click the Close button in the top right corner of the page. Profit.co also gives you a series of options and dashboards to help you understand what the results of your performance review mean for your organization and your employees. Under Performance, HR admins have access to multiple dashboards. First, let's take a look at the 9-box matrix. Select the review you'd like to view plotted on the matrix. The matrix plots employees based on their performance and potential ratings. Each marker on the matrix signifies a reviewed employee. Below the matrix, you'll see a list of all employees involved in the review. If an employee is in a low category, you'll receive a notice that you can initiate a PIP or a performance improvement plan for that employee. You can customize the improvement plan to suit the needs of the employee and add a coach or manager to help the employee along. For employees performing exceptionally well, you can initiate an individual development plan, or IDP, which puts employees who show high potential on a path to promotion. This plan can also be customized to suit the promotion that the employee is up for. The Employee Heat Map feature in the Performance module enables you to view employee performance in a highly visual and intelligible way. Heat maps can be sorted by department, team, and by performance review. Scores are then assigned a color to help gain an overarching view of employee performance and spot any outliers that might need attention. Scores can also be viewed with consideration to multiple performance reviews, enabling you to compare departments and analyze individual or group performance for consistency, improvement, or even a decrease in performance. This is especially useful for spotting where departments may need more support, training, or coaching based on their performance. This map can be used to help determine how teams are operating under new leadership or progressing after a change in personnel, helping HR administrators keep their finger on the pulse of a company's performance. Finally, HR administrators can use the 360-degree feedback dashboard. You'll be able to view an employee individually and assess their progress over time. HR administrators and direct managers can view a specific employee and see their performance tracked in the Overview tab, their progress as plotted on the 9-box matrix, as well as their performance review and potential review. Employee reviews are listed below to look back on. HR administrators and managers can also leave helpful notes reflecting on employee progress, and finally look at performance relative to productivity with a view of the employee's OKRs. This enables a holistic view of employee performance and experience at a company and gives the opportunity to review employees more accurately and with more consideration. For more information, check out our Help Center, and don't forget we're available 24/7 on the live support chat, right on your Profit.co platform.